Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all in online classes of Regional Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. It is math lecture for class 7 and I am Maqbool Ahmed, subject specialist maths. Contents: exercise 1.5, question number 1, part number 1 and 4. Question number 2, part number 1 and 3. In previous classes, we have learned about the difference of two sets A and B. In previous lectures, we have learned about difference of two sets A and B. It is represented by shaded portion when A is subset of B, while when all the elements of set A are also the element of set B, then we can represent A minus B by figure through Venn diagram. We have two sets A and B, and A is the subset of set B. When we take A difference B, then it will be equal to empty set, because there is no portion of set A which is not in set B. B is subset of set A when all the elements of set B are also the element of set A, then we can represent by A difference B by figure. We have Venn diagram when B is subset of set A, then A minus B will be represented by shaded portion. Here shaded portion A minus B will be when two sets A and B are overlapping sets, then we can represent A difference B by figure. We have two sets A and B and they are in the form of overlapping. When we take its A difference B, then it will be the portion of set A which are not in set B, and none of them is a subset of each other. Here shaded portion represents A difference B. A and B are disjoint sets. When no element of set A and B is common, then we can represent A minus B by figure. Here we show it by Venn diagram. In this case, A and B are disjoint sets, and we represent A difference B by shaded portion. Here shaded portion represent A minus B. एलिमेंट में लिखते हुए कि वैसे ही डायग्राम में
सेट नहीं किया शेडिंग की बेसिकली समझाइए।
Complement of a set. For a complement of a set A, we have A complement is equal to U minus A. Here U is used for universal set and A is subset of set U. And we have shown it by Venn diagram. Here U represent this whole rectangle and A is a subset of set U, and A complement is represented by U minus A as this shaded region. Area of U which is not in set A. It is called complement of set A. For complement of a set B, we have formula B complement is equal to U minus B. Here U is for universal set and B is subset of U, and we can show it by Venn diagram as it is whole rectangle is a universal set and B is subset of set U which is universal set, and this shaded region is represented. This shaded region represents the complement. Exercise 1.5. Question number 1. Shade the diagram according to given operations. ये बच्चों हमें वेन डायग्राम बनाकर दी हुई है, तो हमने इनमें से जो हमारी रिक्वायर्ड ऑपरेशन होगी उसको हमने शेड करना है। तो उसके लिए हमारे पास फर्स्ट पार्ट में A इंटरसेक्शन B फाइंड करना है। उस रीजन को हम शेड करेंगे व्हेन A इज सबसेट ऑफ सेट B. Here you can see A is subset of set B. Then we have to shade the area of A intersection B. It will be equal to it is shaded region. It means when we take A intersection B, the common portion of set A and B will be the set A. We have shade B complement. In this diagram, you are given set B, which is subset of universal set of U, and this shaded region is represent B complement. Question number 2, we are given set U for universal sets which are 1, 2, 3 up to 10, and set A contain the element 1, 4, 8, 9, 10, and set B 2, 3, 4, 7 and 10. Then show that A difference B not equal to B difference A. Now we have to take left hand side, in which we have to calculate A difference B. For this we draw the diagrams by given values. We can see it is overlapping case. In overlapping case we write the common portion. We write the common value 4 and 10 in common portion, and we have to find out A difference B. This region which is shaded represent A minus B, and for right hand side we have B minus A, in which we have first set B and then set A. 4 and 10 are their common values, and we have written the value of set B, which are 2, 3, 7, and remaining value of set A are 1, 8 and 9, and we have to shade the region for B minus A, which is represent the shaded area. Shaded area represent B minus A. From the above figure, we can see A minus B not equal to B minus A, because the shaded area of both sets are different. Question number 2. We are given sets U for universal set and set A, which contain the values 1, 4, 8, 9, 10, and set B contain the value 2, 3, 4, 7 and 10. Then we have to show that A union B is equal to B union A. For A union B, we can see the given value show the overlapping sets. By given value, we draw the figure. It is overlapping case, and here we have to show that for A union B, for union of two sets, we can take the value of set A or set B or common values of both sets. Now we represent by shaded area of A union B. For A union B, shaded area represents A union B. For right hand side, we have to find out B union A. The same figures with same values. Shaded portion represent B union A. We can see from both diagrams, we conclude that A union B is equal to B union A. Hence, prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Home assignment exercise 1.5, question number 2, fourth part. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.